Greetings and salutations, Rav Driver here. Let's talk PitStop furniture. Because I want to put the furniture in the front left corner of the garage, I decided to purchase another box of floor tiles, just so that the motorcycles would park entirely on the tiles, a little bit further back. Before we install the tiles, my son and I quickly move things around and clean up a bit. I love how easy the floor tiles install. They just snap together. With that out of the way, let's start with the PitStop Crew Bar Table. It was all packaged together really well. Everything was neatly wrapped. Even just unboxing it, I'm really pleased with the details. Just look at the shift knob. I followed the instructions to put it together. The spring is plastic and simply is added for looks. And it looks great. Notice the steering wheel footrest at the bottom? I love this. The tabletop has a diameter of 24.5 inches, a great size for the garage. And now the stool. This is the PitStop Crew Bar Stool. It's also packaged very well. Looking at the instructions, it goes together the same way as the table. Let's take a closer look at the PitStop furniture. I've been using it now for a few days. I'm really pleased with the construction. What sets this apart from other furniture, of course, is the automotive theme. They did a great job. The bar stools are a set height. They do rotate, but do not lower or raise with rotations. The padding on the stool is firm. I feel very solid while sitting on it. The table, of course, is adjustable, like an office chair where you pull the lever. This lever happens to be a manual gear lever. Now, I don't find the table quite as stable as the stools, but it's what you would expect from an adjustable height table. I wrote the script to this video seated here typing on my laptop. Now, the table is stable enough for that, and I would definitely trust drinks on here. Just note that if you apply enough pressure, the table will sink some, but of course if you let that pressure off, it raises back up. Just resting a foot or even both my elbows on the table will not lower it, but pushing down will. Overall, I am thrilled with the PitStop furniture. It's been on my want list for a very long time. I will eventually get some more of their furniture. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.